Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return. First, you'll need to gather all your income statements and other relevant documents. Next, decide whether you'll file electronically using software or mail a paper return. Finally, we'll cover how to identify deductions and credits that can significantly lower the amount you owe. Let's get started on making this process straightforward and stress-free for you. To begin, ensure you have all your income documents ready, such as your W-2 from employers and any Form 1099s for other income sources. Next, you'll need to decide if itemizing deductions, like mortgage interest or medical expenses, is more beneficial than taking the standard deduction. Finally, select your preferred filing method, whether it's user-friendly tax software, a trusted tax professional, or completing the forms yourself. Now, let's focus on maximizing your savings. Research available tax credits, like the child tax credit or the earned income tax credit, which can directly reduce your tax bill. Before submitting, meticulously review every section of your return for any potential errors or omissions. Accuracy is key to avoiding delays or issues. Once everything is correct, sign and submit your return promptly to meet the deadline. The final step is submitting your return. If filing electronically, you'll receive a confirmation once it's accepted. For paper returns, mail them to the correct IRS address. Remember to keep thorough records, including copies of your submitted return and all supporting documents, for at least 7 years. This is crucial for future reference or if you ever need to respond to an inquiry. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.